Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. For today, we're gonna check out some supercars that have been flooded. And we also got some cool exotic cars. This one's not on sale yet, but it is definitely playing soon. Also a flood. It's a 2015 Rolls-Royce Ghost. Dang. But you can smell the mold already, so I got a little bit of water. Hey, that's why it's here. It is a water flood. But man, it is very clean. One day, get a Rolls-Royce. I'm sure it's got a lot of electronics. If somebody's ready for that challenge, hey, it might go for a good deal, but hey, it might be good parts. Pretty sweet. Let's keep going, find some exotics. Check it out, guys. So here we have the 2015 McLaren P1. This thing was on the news. Man, it's just so sad what happened to it. This thing definitely got water inside, but wow, what a crazy looking car. Got some damage, body damage, fiberglass, glass damage. Whew, but man, it is still beautiful. Definitely worth a lot of money. Estimated retail value is $230,000. Wow, this thing is sick for sure. Beautiful rims. Check out those brakes. Check out those rotors. Dang. It's still on future sale, so it's coming later. But here it is, guys. Wow, I seen this thing on the news, so just see it here. Copart yard is pretty cool. Definitely keep an eye on it. Just curious to see how much this thing goes for, the final price. Inside looks pretty simple, you know. I would say it's not like too crazy. Let's get some light going. Look, bucket seats. Not too much. A lot of carbon fiber. But overall, pretty basic, I would say. Not, you know, Rolls-Royce, whatever. P1, McLaren. Nice. Very clean look for sure. So it doesn't matter if it's a supercar, old car, new car. Get wrecked, you get wrecked. Dang. Carbon fiber is damaged, so there is damage all around the car. Definitely high dollar to get this thing fixed, but still worth a lot of money, and people do. Haven't really messed with supercars too much yet, but maybe one day. Get a couple more subscribers. Hit that like button, guys. Tell your friends. We'll get some supercars. Leave some comments down below if you guys want to see us pick up a supercar, Ferrari, Lambo, I don't know, something. For now, we just got basic cars, but whatever. More relatable, I guess. Got some more Rolls Royces. Dang. Body damage. This one is a run and drive. But damage all around. I don't know what happened. Check out that water line to the top, guys. Still pretty clean, I would say, for that water line, but wow. It's like fiberglass fenders. I guess, yeah, it makes sense, all molded up together. Dude, got some water in the headlights, so this thing definitely took water. Probably got tossed around out there. Dang, check that out. Steel doors, fiberglass fenders. So they just pop some holes inside the glass just to either get the water out, or I don't know what happened there. Just look how thick that chair is, dang. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it, see how much they go for, but not my kind of project right now. All right, guys, so these are supercars. I got them hidden away in the warehouses for, you know, obvious reasons. These are definitely the high dollar ones, but dang. Awesome looking cars for sure. Beautiful. I'm not going to check them out too much because they are still future sales, so we'll have to wait before we, you know, put power to it or anything like that. Just looking over it. Check out that water line. Wow. No power inside. Makes sense. That's a pretty high water line. Dang. Very slick though. Got some crickets in here. But we also got some Ferraris in here. Dang, guys, check this thing out. Beautiful. But that water line, no joke, this thing went swimming. So how does a Ferrari do in water? Let's check it out. Overall looking good. Guys, I can't tell if my smell's off. I've been smelling too many cars because this thing smells clean. Wow. Not bad at all. Very nice. I mean, obviously water got in, maybe got out quick, so it didn't really stay in there, but yeah, all the electronics are starting to corrode already. Overall, very clean, very beautiful car. Dang. This would be a project. I mean, honestly, great parts car. Definitely worth rebuilding. There are some channels out there that actually fix cars like this, so that's pretty insane. Nothing I want to tackle right now. We're just here, so might as well check out some cool cars. Dang. Beautiful. Let's keep going. A lot of Royces over here, suicide doors. Just so funny the way they opened up like that. Very clean, decked out, chromed out. Beautiful. This one's a convertible. What? Engine bay, also beautiful. So this 2018 Rolls Royce is actually a run and drive. Doesn't look bad. Looks like the seat is moved forward all the way. Waterline is very low. Check it out. It's not on sale yet, so it's a future sale. Still probably working through the paperwork, the title work. It takes a little bit. Sometimes a car could be brought into the yard within a week, already posted, and sometimes it takes months. So it really just depends how the insurance goes through it all, going through all the paperwork. It could take a while, but definitely a beautiful car. The body looks like it's in great shape and everything. Not gonna lie, probably not gonna buy it out of my price range for now, but why not? It's good to have goals. Let's keep going. You can see the corrosion already going at it. Waterline was pretty high. You know, just the Aston Martin, whatever. Side by side, there's another one over there too. Porsche is pretty sweet. Already got the top down. Sorry guys for the crickets. Not by choice. They were here before I was, so thank you fellas. Put the mute button on them. I love the color. A little bit of damage. Wow, look how much pearls that has. That thing is just reflecting. Wow, the metallics. Beautiful. Not a lot of leg room back there, surprisingly, huh? But you get some cool wood trim. Wow. That is the most metallics I've seen in a paint job. That's crazy. And we usually love to dump more than merrier, so that's nice. Beautiful cars. Still salvage title, flooded out, but still gonna go pretty high. Even though it has a high water line, I mean, they still go for a lot because they're just worth so much. I mean, in parts alone, they're worth a lot. So I'm just checking them out. Beautiful. Dang, check out that bucket. New construction, so it's kind of interesting too. Catches my eye. Nice. I'm just kidding, guys. So this is where they keep the goodies. Let's see what's behind door number 3. Oh boy. Dang guys, we got some more Ferraris. McLaren looks like, have to get closer to it. Wow, that's like the second one. Looks exactly the same as the other one. Dang. Beautiful. Let's check the lot number, see if it's a future sale. Most likely. These guys are probably a little harder to process. But dang, this is where they keep all the supercars. Beautiful. Let's go check that one out. I've already seen a white Ferrari. It's cool and all. Let's keep going. Lamborghini. Dang. So sad. Salvaged out. Let's check out that waterline. Dang, so we got this beautiful 2019 Lamborghini Huracan. Man, this thing looks mint. It's not a running drive. So obviously I'm not gonna try to start it. It is a future sale. We're not gonna mess with it too much. I just wanna check it out. Dang, it is beautiful. Check out that front lip. Those rotors. Rims look awesome. Great tires on it. It is also flooded out. There's no power to it. It's not a run and drive, like I said. Estimated worth $300,000. That's a nice house right there. Not bad, right? Dang. This thing is gorgeous. Overall, looks really good shape, inside and out. That's the top down. I could already look at the interior. Beautiful stitching. I love the orange with it too. It looks nice. The honeycomb. Oh yeah. 10-cylinder. Man, but look at that waterline. Up to the door. It's hard to tell because this thing has definitely been cleaned out where that waterline was, but that's the original waterline. Like I said, no power to it right now. Yeah. So sad, unfortunate. But hey, definitely worth time, definitely worth parts, or I don't know, somebody could restore this thing for sure. They got it on block, so it's easier to get underneath because it's so low. Dang, it's already low, and that's already on blocks to keep it safe. Looks like a full carbon fiber bumper. Beautiful. Why not? Keep an eye on it. Be interesting to see how much it goes for. Definitely a beautiful machine. Overall, the body looks like it's in great shape. Wow, guys, this thing is brand new. 2021 Ferrari F8 Spider. Waterline is barely on the, look at that. That's like nothing. But it is also a future sale. Not gonna mess with it. Just checking it out. Gorgeous. Overall, the body's in great shape. Very low waterline. It's not a run and drive, but I don't know, maybe they just didn't mess with it too much. Who knows? Looks like they got the tow hook over there. Had to pull this thing out. Wow. Beautiful. 8-cylinder. Oh, doesn't have any key. Yes, it does have keys. So that's pretty good. Just a gorgeous car. Interior is amazing. Looks like somebody's been already taking it apart, checking it out. But I don't see any water damage. Gorgeous. Dang, it's kind of hard going from Lambos to Ferraris to Aston Martins back to Civics, but you know, all in due time. Take what you get, work your way up. Maybe we'll get one of these one day. It'll be a fun build, huh? Like I said, leave some comments below if you want to see us struggling rebuilding a supercar. I'm sure parts will be hard to get, but hey, all good things are usually hard to do. So, wow, this one smells beautiful, guys. Amazing. A lot of water damaged cars, like I said, new, old, supercars, regular cars. Water is not picky, it'll salvage them all out. All right, so we've seen the good, we've seen the expensive. I haven't really showed you the bad because I try to filter out my list to get rid of all the crazy water damage ones, the ones with destruction titles. I was looking for the ones for run and drive and the high dollar ones because those are just neat. Why not share the experience? You know, it's definitely cool to see. Pretty cool, but make sure you guys stay tuned. I do want to go and pick something up, so that's coming soon. My time's coming to an end here in Florida, so I do want to drive back to South Carolina. Hopefully I win something. We'll see. And there's some campers I want to check out too, some RVs. Why not? You know, we're in the area. Hopefully we'll get a chance to check that out. They're really busy in the main yard, but hey, huge shout out to the sublot that helped us, you know, let us go inside, let us do some recording, checking it out. So that's awesome. I know they're super busy, a lot of loaders going on. It's chaotic. There's so much happening, but awesome that they let us view the vehicles. Pretty cool. Make sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned, and we'll see you again.